Do you snore so loud your spouse is threatening you with divorce or at least the couch? You're not alone. According to AASM, around 40% of adult men and 24% of adult women in the United States are habitual snorers. That's over 65 million people, and snoring is the third biggest cause for divorce behind infidelity and financial troubles. If keeping your partner awake at night or a threat of divorce wasn't bad enough, recent epidemiologic study found that snoring has been linked to heart disease, increased chances of stroke, diabetes, weight gain and other health problems, or even death. Fortunately, there is a non-invasive solution that already helped over 22,866 people say goodbye to snoring and sleep apnea without taking prescription drugs, buying expensive machinery, or wearing face masks while they sleep. A simple 3-minute exercise that was developed by a chronic snorer and his wife, a vocal coach, eliminates snoring as quickly as the first time you try it. Just imagine doing a quick throat exercise at home, on the way to work, or in your car and not snoring for the first time in years as soon as tonight. Click below and watch the video to learn it now. However, there is a big business in snoring gadgets and supplements. There are beds costing up to $5,000, pillows at $400, and CPAP machines up to $2,000. That's not counting endless number of masks, mouthpieces, and other gadgets that rarely work. These people don't want you to simply get rid of your snoring or sleep apnea with just a 3-minute exercise. They would lose millions, and the couple behind it have already received threats. That's why you need to click below and watch the video now before it's taken down.